Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Neurocare Diagnostics. I am Abdullah Tauseef, and this is our final year project. Our final year project is an Alzheimer's disease detection system in which we have combined both deep learning and machine learning models, some custom and some pre-trained, to analyze and classify Alzheimer's disease and its various types. Currently we are on the home page of our web application. As you can see, we have a small infographic video which basically explains what Alzheimer's is. Moving down below, we have three sections. First section is an MRI scan analysis, in which we take MRIs of the brain from the user and classify them into the various stages of Alzheimer's. How this works is that we have two deep learning models, one custom CNN, second a transfer learning based FissionNet V4 model with a custom attention mechanism. Now these two models are combined in an ensemble model to give us classification from the MRIs. Second section is the clinical data analysis section, which we take various features or values from the user, which contain values such as age, memory test scores, health history, brain metrics, brain volume, things like that. And we use a machine learning model to classify it as Alzheimer's or not. The machine learning model in question is XGBoost, in which we have trained it on clinical data from the OASIS dataset. And the third section is a combination of these both, so that you can give MRIs and also give this and have one report or have them combined in one report. Now let's go to the MRI analysis. As you can see, there's a description on what MRI analysis is, what we're looking for and why this matters. These are some explanations to make users familiar with Alzheimer's and with how our system works. Now let's go here and let's choose this class, late mild cognitive impairment. Selecting this image. Now we analyze this image. As you can see, it gives us the correct classification with a confidence score and a line that tells us what this means. Now when I click this button, I get a report which I can then download for ease of use. Now moving to the next section, which is the clinical analysis section. Same as before, we have placed descriptions for the ease of users. Now I'm going to place some values here. Values are the age in years, gender, education level, basically meaning the levels of the years spent in education, how socially interactive a person is, memory score test, brain size, brain shrinkage measure, and then we have brain size relative to standard measurements, clicked analysis, and from here we can see that the patient is non-demented. Now when I click this, I get a similar report with the classification and with a one-liner to explain what that classification is. Now moving on to the combined analysis. Now in combined analysis we take an image plus textual data. Going through the image, let's say I give an image from that same data set. I click the button and we've got correct classification along with a comfort.